Did you know you could turn any pair of blue light blocking glasses into readers? That's right. This is a 1.75x magnification way to turn this normal pair of blue light blockers into readers. I had no idea this was possible. And somebody came up to our booth at Hack Your Health in Tampa this year, and a woman wanted to buy a pair of blue light blocking glasses, but she wears readers at night, and she wanted a pair of these nighttime blue blockers, but she wouldn't be able to use them because they weren't readers. And this guy walked away and he came back with a pair of sunglasses, which I don't recommend people wear, but he brought these sunglasses and he turned them over and he said, put these sunglasses on and try to read something. So she put them on and she was able to read perfectly well. She had no idea that this was possible, and neither did I. And she ended up buying a pair of blue light blocking glasses and then using the solution that he showed her, which was, if you look at these, you'll see there's something inserted that almost makes these look like a bifocal in the bottom. And this is literally just a piece of silicone that has the magnification of a reader built into it. And you can turn any pair of blue blockers into readers with this one simple trick that I never knew existed. And I'm going to show you how you would do it right here. So what you would do is on our dreamwalkers.ai website, you will find these, basically, we call them reader makers. I'm not sure what the name will be when we put them on the website, but they're going to be a way for you to make readers out of any glasses, blue light blockers, or sunglasses, God forbid, if you still have those. But you can make them out of anything. And so you'll get this little tray, and it contains a pair of readers inside it. So you're going to pull this tray out. I want to make sure I'm getting the right side. And inside of this tray is going to be these two silicone pieces. And these two silicone pieces are the readers that will be inserted into your blue blockers, and you can see them here. I'm going to set these down carefully and show you the back. So you can kind of see that you can make readers out of your blue blockers. And if your reading magnification changes, like you need more magnification than in the past, you can remove these and add the new higher magnification to your glasses. So this is a really brilliant way of buying something a little less expensive than a whole new pair of blue light blocking readers, which are hard to find anyway, and you can't get every frame style in a blue light blocking reader. So if you want a really cool pair of readers that you already have the frame for, you can just go ahead and make your own glasses that you already own into readers, or you can buy a pair of Dreamwalkers beautiful framed glasses and make them into readers of your very own by just simply using this. Now, there's a couple tricks that Heidi learned when she put these into her glasses. And you'll notice on these that there's a couple air bubbles in this pair. And it means that when you put these on, you want to make sure they're in the right spot the first time. You don't want to keep unsticking and sticking these because they're not going to work so well if you do that. And you can kind of see some of the air bubbles a little bit better from this side. You also want to touch it as little as possible with your fingers when you install these. And all you're going to do is you're going to make sure your lenses are clean. So go ahead and clean them with a cloth. And then you're going to take these out of the case. Now what you want to do is you really want to get, hopefully you've got some nails, you really want to get just the edge, and you only want to touch that very part, that very tip of the edge. And then you're going to insert them into this part of the glass, and then you're going to take a piece of plastic to put over the top of those silicone as you push the air bubbles out and adhere them into the lens. That way you're not using your fingers to smudge them all up and maybe move them. This is kind of the way that Heidi found makes it much more simple of a process. So what I'm going to do is turn these glasses into readers by installing these inside. So I'm going to try to be really careful on how I remove these. There we go, they kind of flipped up there. And I'm going to take that and insert them into the part of the glass where we're going to look through. And then I'm going to utilize this plastic piece to get rid of the air bubbles. Seems like we did a pretty good job here. So now, if you were to look through, I wonder if I can get something close. Let's see, I don't have a whole lot of stuff here that has words on it around me. I have my hard drive. So, all right, there's through the lens. Now let's see if we can look at it through the reader part of the lens. Oh man, this is gonna be hard to do, isn't it? So you can see what it's gonna do is magnify that wording with the reader that's built into the lens. Literally, and there's a little air bubble I can see. So you want to make sure if you get any of those air bubbles, so you can see that air bubble right there, you want to push them out with this piece of plastic. So we're going to put it on the side, push that air bubble out. I'm going to use this to see how I did. Okay, so that's better. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to grab this piece here. Feels just like a flexible piece of silicone. I'm going to try to handle it from the very edge. And getting it in the right part of your glasses where you want it is probably easier when you have a smaller lens, because you just stick it at the bottom. When you've got a really large lens, I mean, this lens is much larger. I probably just dumped it out. No, it's still in there. Much larger, so I kind of wanted to fit it into a spot that's going to be natural for your eye to look through when it's reading. And then what we're going to do is, again, with the plastic, we're going to push out any of the air bubbles and make sure it's adhered really well. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these at all the conferences to show people who wear readers how to do this and how great of a solution this is for really inexpensive versus buying, $80, $150 pair of readers that already have the blue light blocking built into them. You can buy a normal pair of blue light blockers and add these into it so you can have your choice of frames without really worrying about the limited selection of frames for readers. All right, so now, again, we've got looking through the reader, looking through the regular lens, looking through the reader, looking through the regular lens, looking through the reader. And these are 1.75x magnification. So obviously you can get all the different magnifications that you can add to any pair of blue light blocking glasses to make them into a pair of readers without buying a whole new pair.